Hello over there at JCF Landscaping and Patio. This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I'm sorry I don't have a name to reference here in this video. However, thank you for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. In this video, I'll be auditing your site. I'll compare your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more clients all on your own. Clients or traffic, all the same, right? In this video, we'll also give you an understanding as to why your competitors are being found instead of your company. I'm going to mainly be going over 3 things you can do today to help bring in more work. The 3 points or categories, I should say, are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. This is a good website, fairly simple. You have good photos, a nice layout, of course. The navigation is fairly simple. All the links seems to be working just fine. So overall, a good website. Kudos on that. However, not enough content. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage alone. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert, again, inside of Google. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords are words or phrases that searchers enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services, landscaping. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. And also, there in Albany, New York, we did find that in that area, there is a lot of search volumes for the services in landscaping, which is how we found you, just an FYI. Now, for backlinks and citations, for this, let's jump into Ahrefs. This is a pay tool, of course, if you don't mind paying for it, Ahrefs. It's a great way to monitor what you have behind the scenes of your website. So this is your website here. You have a forward redirect or forbidden status codes that you might want to check on that. As far as the keywords goes, you have 55 keywords on your website. In a monthly basis, you're getting around 6 people jumping onto your website organically. Referring domains 2, backlinks 4. The UR meter 0.3 and the DR meter 0. So really, you're not getting a lot of power onto your website. However, the DR and the UR meter here, or I should say rating, is the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase these 2 ratings is through backlinks and citations. A backlink is a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website. I'm sure you've seen it. This could be as simple as a hyperlink. You know, you see a text and then you're able to click that text or a keyword or a phrase, and it will direct the user to your website. That's pretty much what a backlink is. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And of course, a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with one of those. Ideally, you'd like to keep the UR and the DR in a 1:1 ratio, both of these. It's just good practice. Google will give you more of a boost or preference when comparing to other websites inside the web. So just keep that in mind. Backlinks 4, referring domains 2. So these 2, but backlinks and also these citations will fall under the referring domains for some. And again, you're not getting any traffic really, and you're not getting any power onto your website. Looking at one of your competitors, looks like these guys are getting all the attention. Pearl Landscaping and Patio Co. Which, you know, it's similar to your company name there. Just noticed that. Anyway, this is actually their website here. You see they have more content. Also a good website. Clickable links everywhere. Easy navigation. Fairly simple clickable links here to contact the company. Overall, a good website also. What they have going behind the scenes of their website, as you can see here, this is their website. Keywords 260. This is very important. I'll relay more info on this in just a bit. Traffic, over 158 people are jumping onto the website organically. Referring domains 89, backlinks over 1,000. The DR meter 16 and the UR at 9. In Arabs rankings, they're 13 million, I see here, but they're going down. They did struggle quite a bit. I see that their highest point, if I could get this to work, is 314, or yeah, around 314 back in June. So that's good. I'm not sure what happened there. Possibly a Google update. However, that is the area where they want to be, right? Or your company want to be. So going back to what you have, only 6 traffic, and I think your highest point, 32 organic traffic back in September, which is not bad. But also you declined fairly rapidly here. You can see. Back to your company's website, or I should say one of your competitors. Keywords 260. Looking at the list of keywords that they currently have, let's go with landscaping, Albany, New York. So just for this keyword here, when searchers enter this specific keyword onto search engines, in a monthly basis, the volume is 200. So around 200 people are looking for this service with this keyword in a monthly basis. It's not hard to rank. Looking at the keyword difficulty, but note this is a good keyword to have behind the scenes of your website. Also this one, landscape, Albany, New York landscaping. So again, another 200. Having these 2 keywords on your website and you rank these, let's say 400 a month, 400 month searches just for these 2 keywords. Just imagine these 400 are finding you instead. That's the whole point of optimizing your website and getting these SEO services. So those 2 keywords are good to have. Let's see, possibly this one here, hydro seeding, Albany, New York. I'm not sure specifically where you are, but Albany, New York for sure. Another keyword here, 100. So just keep that in mind if you ever have a future project as far as a website goes, a new website or SEO services. We could help with all this. If you are to follow these tips and tricks, you can increase the rankings and bring in more calls. And this is what I have for you for now. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts, or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. If you can't reply to the email, just let me know the correct contact name. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time. Take care.